धातु के कलश होने चाहिए। धातु बात मतलब
His name is Swami Sigh Batuk Ji Maharaj.
5 कलश।
His trust is listed as Rukmini Ballabh Dham. Rukmini is the wife of Ballabh, means Krishna, our God. Rukmini is goddess, so called Lakshmi, and Krishna is so called Vishnu.
So he's a devotee of
he is devotee of Krishna. So Rukmini Ballabh Dham is his residence. It is situated at Vrindavan in UP.
So what led him to this kind of life, to this kind of holy life?
What
Led him? Yeah, to this kind of
इनका
holy
ये कहना है कि वो कौन सी चीज थी जिसे आपको समाज से लेकर के इस आध्यात्म की तरह आपको लाई। कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी जिससे आप गृहस्थ से हट करके आध्यात्म की तरफ चले।
बताइए कि हमारा जो इष्ट आराध्य है उनकी प्रेरणा जो है उससे मिलती है, गुरुजनों से और बड़ों से, श्रेष्ठों से।
He is telling during his study, Lord Vishnu and Krishna, they are the same. Our community is devotee to him, Lord Krishna and Lord Vishnu. During his study, his tutor convinced him to be to the God, to be devoted to the God, which can lead your real life in the world, which can solve the purpose of your life coming in this world.
And
So he diverted towards this holy.
So how did the God help him? How did the God guided him?
That's all. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि जब आप इस तरफ चल दिए तो ईश्वर की प्रेरणा आपको क्या मिली, जिसका अनुभव आप कर रहे हैं कि आपको उन्होंने कैसे भगवान ने प्रेरित किया, मतलब भगवान से आपको क्या प्रेरणा मिली फिर जब आप इस तरफ मुड़ गए। तो
बताइए कि हमारा आत्मबल, हमारा कार्य चित्र हमें जो है हर प्रकार की।
Actually, as per Hindu mythology, it is believed by our religious books that a man when takes birth at this land, he is almost surrounded with his family, society, all this structure, and he did not think about the God who have given us, who have sent us, who have given a life and sent us on the earth. We forget it. So as and when, with the aspiration of their gurus, he diverted towards the God. Then God gave him the Holy Spirit.
So does becoming a guru mean forgetting about your family?
About the family and the society, there is a rule in our pious books. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. World is my family. There is not a unique family in this world. Mata, mother, father, brother. This is not only the family. Family Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva means the world is my family.
Okay.
Whatever human being are living on the world, in the world, they are all my family. And this feeling he has received in his soul through aspiration of the God.
And what's the importance for him of this festival? What's the importance for him of Kumbh Mela?
उनका कहना है कि आपकी दृष्टि से कुंभ मेला का क्या महत्व है?
इस कुंभ मेला का?
हाँ, इस कुंभ मेला का आपके अनुसार क्या महत्व है? Actually, in Hindu mythology, there are several religious places.
बताइए महाराज, यहाँ पर
There are
पूरा सूर्य
4
हुआ था,
dhams.
संग्राम, समुद्र मंथन हुआ,
बद्रिका धाम,
उसमें
द्वारिका
जो कलश
धाम,
निकला था,
जगन्नाथ धाम, रामेश्वरपुरी, and
तो नहीं
we
छलका
have
नहीं था।
a belief,
गाँव को पिलाता
and
कि
it is
भगवान
said by
नारायण
religious
को उछाल
books
दिया था कि
that there are
भगवान के पास ना
33
पहुंचे।
crores
वो आकाश
of gods
मंडल में
and
उस घड़े को
goddesses
फेंका था तो 4 जगह बूंदे
in the
गिरी।
universe.
नासिक, हरिद्वार, प्रयाग,
This
उज्जैन।
place,
तो ये
Prayag,
महाकुंभ, हाँ वो महाकुंभ लगता है, वो अमृत की बूंद जहाँ
is said to be the king of the religious places. Allahabad, this place, not whole Allahabad. This place, Sangam, where Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati, 3 rivers are joining.
दो जल वाला नदी।
And therefore, at this place, Trivenis, matlab this case goes towards onward.
बोने के लिए चाहिए।
So this place, Prayag, is the king of religious places in India
Because of the confluence.
because of confluence. And
Where does the Sarasvati river flow?
उसी में सब
it is there. If you want to see, actually you might be seeing the Yamuna and Ganges. Saraswati is, it's flowing under this red flow, Kila. Red Kila is there. There is a coup. You can go there. It is permitted for all. You go there. There is a coup. It is a well there under which it is flowing. And it is just joining this Sangam.
Okay.